First of all, thank you very much for your engagement for our Suzuki Mangrove Plantation drive. Yeah, so Suzuki continue to commit to Pakistan country, and we would like to request your kind of collaboration so that we can grow together for the country.
We are aiming to plant 100,000 plants in phase 1 here, inshallah ta'ala.
And we are very, very thankful to them for taking this initiative.
The communities also benefit from increased livelihoods through this mangrove restoration.